you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Smartass and Sass for May. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So May 2024 Smartass and Sass box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I'm always so excited when this box comes, and I am, but I'm also so torn because I'm so sad. They did post that next month for June is going to be their last and final box for now anyway. They did tell us a few months back that they were struggling, that they were trying to cut back, do a few different things, trying to stay afloat just to keep their business going. And they did successfully for, several months. But now I guess they can't do it anymore. So they're actually going to be closing their subscription. Right now, if you want to catch, I think next month will be the last box. And I believe what that one is going to be is like a mixture of different past boxes. And it's supposed to have like more items in it. So if you've never got them before and you want to get like a little mystery box of like more products, you can grab their very last box. Or you can shop their shop, which right now they have it at 70% off. So the price that you see, once you add it to your cart and you go to check out, then you'll see the 70% off discount at that time. But it's all 70% off, 70% off right now if you want to grab it. If you want to check them out, help them out a little by that. But yeah, I'm so sad. This is my favorite box. I tell you guys that I've been doing this one for several years, and I am going to be super sad after next month when this one isn't here. I'm hoping that, after a little bit of time, they can get back on track and maybe start building their website and then getting back into the boxes. We're gonna soon see in the future, but for now, I'm super sad they're going to be closing. I don't blame them one bit. Like literally, it is super hard to own a business these days. Before 2020, it wasn't as bad, but even though I even know in the industry, if you guys don't know, my man actually owns a locksmith company and I help him run that. That's what we do. So even in our industry, we're getting emails like monthly by our suppliers stating like this person's going up by this percentage, this one's going up 5%, this is going up because brass is inside of all the keys. Like you think it's metal, it's brass. So brass is going up all the time. The electronics, like when the remote keys, the keyless entry, those type of things, all of the chips inside, the electronics, everything is going up. So we know like just in the last few years, things have doubled and tripled in prices for our cost. So I know that's just the same as any other industry out there. It's just getting harder and harder for businesses to stay afloat. So again, I don't blame them, but I'm just gonna say I'm just super sad to see them go, and I hope it is just a temporary thing. So I'm so sad. But let's go ahead and dive in. Again, you can still grab what's left. I know it's going very fast because I've already placed 2 different orders. And even my second order, I saw like there was like less than half still available. And then I went to look right now to see if they still had any more of these, the Ziploc bags, because I ordered some of those and I wanted to get more, but they're sold out. So things are selling out quickly. So if you want to, like I said, grab their very last box, which I believe I read it was going to be a mixture, more products inside, but a mixture of all past boxes, or you can shop their shop. But oh, I already cut the tape. This morning I sat down to film this box and I opened it and it was my order, and I was like, oh, okay. So when this one came, I'm like, was this my other order? Is this my box? So I opened it just to see inside, and I saw the card and I was like, okay, stop. But I was so excited when I saw that color shirt. I don't know if next month is going to have a shirt or if it's going to be a past box shirt. But if it is, I'm so glad that this is the last one that they're ending like an actual monthly box with, because I love that color. So I'm just so sad. So the theme for May 2024 is Resting Beach Face. And that's what the pamphlet looks like. And even on the back of this, that's probably the statement that they put online, which you can find on their Facebook and stuff like that. But it is saying, after years of putting up a fight of our life, Smartass and Sass will be closing its doors. It's super sad. But if you wanted to like read about that, it's their whole little spiel right there, and it's on their Facebook as well. So I'm just so sad, you guys. It says, I've got 99 problems, but a beach ain't one of them. I'm just so gonna miss this box so much. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through the way that it is in the magazine. I'm just gonna go through that way, so there's no rhyme or reason. So I'll be going like with the course of the book. So number one would be the sticky note. So every month there's a new sticky note that was coming out, and then in January we got this box to put them in. So in here is all of my other sticky notes that I have got. This one here says, don't forget to pack. It's a packing list. It has like a suitcase. It says, don't forget to pack collectible sticky notes. Leave no charter behind with this month's collectible Post-it brand. 50-page sticky notepad, 5 of 12, which now I guess we're only going to end up getting 6. I'm just so sad. Protect your sanity and your wallet this vacation season with this handy packing list, valued for $4.95. Now I know, like these other past ones, if they're still available, you can purchase them directly from their website. So if you wanted to check anything, check them out. The next thing is a hydrate sticker. It says hydrate or dihydrate. It's holographic, so it's kind of hard to show you here, but it is valued for $3.95, and it says, we mermaids need our high quality H2O. Slap this glittery motivational sticker on your water bottle for a gentle reminder to drink your fucking water. Damn it. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if I said in the beginning, but this is my Smartass and Sass video, and in this video I might be saying or showing more foul language than I do in other videos, so there's your disclaimer. So yes, drink your fucking water, damn it. So you can put that right on your water bottle or your binder, your journal. You can put that sticker anywhere you would like, valued again for $3.95. So then next up is going to be, it is a pair of glasses. It says, not today sunglasses. This summer, soak up those sweet, sweet rays while protecting your peepers. This is one pair of sunglasses you'll do your damned best not to lose in 2 weeks like all the rest. Don't bother me today, world. I'm busy auditioning for my dream job. Just beach. Valued for $19.95. It's a really, really pretty, like light yellowish color. And it says, not today. Not today on both sides. Let's see how they look on my big old dome. They brighten things up. Like, it kind of like brightens things up. I'll have to see what it looks like outside, but that is what they look like on my face. And again, they're valued for $19.95. Then they have you covered because you can put them inside of your handy dandy vitamin D sunglass case is what it says. Yep, it says, get that vitamin D. Get that D. Add in those vitamins. I'm so gonna miss this box, you guys. I really wish this was a teal color, but it is pink. I'm not a pinky girl, but you can use this to put your glasses down inside and they keep them all nice and protected. So that is great that they thought of adding the glass case with them. Sometimes I think we've got just glass cases but not glasses, so that's cool that we get them both together. And this is such a beachy theme, and it is summertime. So for this one, it says, keep your sunglasses safe and at the ready for whatever the day may bring in this stylish hard case. Pretty in pink velvet on the outside and sporting a reminder to always get that vitamin D on the inside. This case has got the whole package. Again, that's cool that you could put them in there so you already have a place to put them in so you don't mess up the glasses. Okay, so now it looks like this right here. Yep, it looks like this is what's going to be the next one on the list. And it says, don't make me salty beach towel. Ooh, this feels different. It's not like a normal like cotton beach towel. Hold on. Is this like an absorbent one or one that doesn't get wet or something? Like, it's a different material. I'm gonna read and see. There has to be something with it because it feels way different than any towel that I've ever had in my hands. That's for sure. It says, don't make me salty. And then it has a really pretty like palm tree design. Okay, so for this one, it says, don't make me salty beach towel. You talking about me or the towel? Both? Wrap yourself up in this soft, absorbent snark. This beach towel is made of quick drying microfiber material, so it'll be ready for another dry off sesh in no time. That's good because your ass hat of a cousin is about to push you into the pool for the 5th time today. Fuck off, Cole. $29.95. So it is a microfiber. That's why I was like, it definitely feels different than any towel that I have ever felt. But this is a really, really pretty image. Oh, I'm upside down. So this is the top. So that's the top of it. And there you go. But I've never felt a towel like this before. So that is really neat. Super absorbent and dries quickly. So there you go. That is again valued for $29.95. Definitely going with this whole beach theme, you guys. Next we have, and ooh, this looks like this would be a great water bag because if you can see the material, so you can just toss like your stuff in there and don't have to worry about it. This looks like it would be like a good beach, lake, poolside type of a bag. It says freaking ray of sunshine mesh tote. That's what it says. Freaking ray of sunshine. I may be a salty storm cloud anywhere else, but take me to the beach and you'll see me shine. Pack all your beach day essentials in this large mesh tote. Slip your sunnies in the convenient front pocket and let's hit the road for some much needed sun and sand time. So it has like one longer handle, it looks like. No, 2 longer handles, and then it has 2 shorter handles as well, all saying the same thing, the ray of sunshine. It's this thick on the bottom, and then the bag has a pocket here that they're saying you can drop your glasses right down inside and hit the water side. That is really neat. Again, this is a whole beach theme, you guys. Great theme. Great theme. Again, valued for $24.95. So up next we have, and I believe we got this in this box before. If not, I got it from somewhere else, but I believe it came in this box. But this is the spicy and salty rollable sun hat. This one here is valued for $24.95. I think it's really neat because it does roll up like this and it's convenient. So you don't have to worry about like the hat getting bent or ruining like the bend of it or anything like that, or having this like larger hat just sitting somewhere. I like that you roll this one up, and then, because again, I have it, I would use it outside when I was gardening because it has like this little band that goes around the inside and it kind of absorbed the sweat. And it is adjustable because you just put it to the Velcro positioning that you would like. And then, if you want to see, like your head pops out. So if you have your hair in a bun or a ponytail, you won't have like to worry about it because you have your hair up here and then this can wrap around it. But it does cover a whole large area. It covers your whole face and, you know, covered my neck and all of that. So again, I love that you can just roll it back up when you're not using it, and then it's ready whenever you want it. And a great thing, you toss it in your little bag, take it with you to the water, and then you're good to go. And it has this little thing here that you wrap around to keep it all nice and together. This is valued for $24.95. It says, beach hair, don't care. This rollable sun hat features a 4-inch brim and a UPV of 50, so it's perfect to take on the go. With the saying, spicy since birth, salty by choice, this hat is made of 75% paper and 25% polyester and has a Velcro closure in the back, making this a one-size-fits-most type of situation. And that's what it says, spicy since birth, salty by choice, and it's around all of the blue edging. So cute. Again, $24.95. Then we have is a beach bitch. It's a teal color, one hot mother. It's the Sharpie marker. I wonder if this was the marker that we got last year or if this was different. I don't know if my teal says beach bitch. I'm gonna have to find out. I don't have it sitting here anymore. I gotta check. I put it somewhere. I put them somewhere else now. But this one says beach bitch and it is a teal marker. It's valued for $4.95. Your beach reads aren't the only thing that deserves some sass. This fine point Sharpie marker brings the coastal vibes to your doodles, journaling, and hidden passive-aggressive notes. It's a margarita for your writing, minus the hangover. That is so cute. And even if this was the same one, which I'm going to check in just a second, I think it's great that they put it in again, because you can't have, you know, you can never have enough because it dries out and you could put it in a different room, whatever. But I love the color. It matches everything. Beach, it goes with the whole vibe and theme of the box. So good for them. Even if it is, like I said, their past boxes, they go perfect with this box. So there's that. And then here is the shirt for this month. And it says, kind of pissed about not being a mermaid. I love this color teal, and then it's all in purple for the writing. So for this one right here, it says this month's shirt comes in Heather Sea Green in our Bella and Canvas soft blended tees like always, and they come in extra small all the way up to 4XL for the shirt sizes. So again, here is this month's t-shirt. So this would have been if you got the big box. All of the other products would be if you just got the box. So going over a quick recap, the big box, you would get this shirt in whichever size. And then now for both of them, you would have this rollable convenient hat. You have a teal marker. You have a mesh breathable bag. You have the neatest beach towel I never even knew existed. You have a sunglass case, a pair of sunglasses. You have a sticker to remember to hydrate and stay hydrated. And then you have a sticky note. All right, you guys, so that is everything for the May 2024 box. Again, this is now going to be the last like main monthly themed box. If you still want to grab next month's or any of the other options for their what's left in their shop, definitely go and check them out if you would like. They'll be linked down below. I did grab my markers just to see, and it is the last one we got does say the beach bitch. So I'm so glad, again, they gave us another one. So again, that is everything for the May box. Again, I'm super, super sad to see them go, but they have to do what's best for them. And again, I totally get it because it's just really, really hard for a lot of companies to stay afloat. So I get it, but I'm definitely going to be waiting patiently for them to come back or to keep loading these Smartass like products on their website for us just to purchase individually. I love shopping on their shop when any birthdays come up, Christmas comes up, anytime they have the sales, I get stuff for gift ideas. So I'm just really, really going to miss this box, but they will all be linked down below. If you'd like to check out more information about me, learn more about my animals, see other companies or discount codes, you can go to my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Have it all right there for you guys. So that is now everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.